The three parts of a paragraph. In this chapter, we will study the three parts of a paragraph in more detail. The topic sentence. It tells the reader what the topic of the paragraph is. The topic sentence is usually the first sentence in a paragraph. It is the top piece of bread in our paragraph, cheeseburger sandwich. A topic sentence has two parts, a topic and a controlling idea. The topic part names the topic. The controlling idea part tells what the paragraph will say about the topic. For example, the topic of the previous model paragraph is flight attendants. The controlling idea tells us they have three characteristics. The paragraph will not tell us about their uniforms, their training, or their duties. It will only discuss three characteristics that flight attendants have. Here are examples of other topic sentences. The topic in all three examples is the same, English. The controlling idea in each says something different about English. English is constantly adding new words, topic and controlling idea. English borrows words from other languages, topic and controlling idea. English is necessary for many different jobs, topic and controlling idea. The topic and controlling idea brings the sentence. Usually the topic comes first and the controlling idea comes second in the topic sentence. However, the controlling idea may come first. In the A sentences, the topic is first. In the B sentences, the controlling idea is first. Now, let's take a look at the topic and controlling idea. In each of these sections, A, B, A, and B, the topic and controlling idea are underneath the sections where you will find the topic and controlling idea. So let's look at sentence A. English borrows words from other languages. Here we have the topic, and here we have the controlling idea. Let's look at B. Other languages give words to English. Here we have the controlling idea, and here we have the topic. Let's look at another example of A. English is necessary for many different jobs. Here we have the topic, and here we have the controlling idea. Let's look at B. Many different jobs require English. Here we have the controlling idea, and here we have the topic.
So the entire paragraph stems from the topic sentence. So it's really important to have a strong topic sentence. Let's look at an example of a good one. Taking too many university courses at once can have potentially serious consequences. Okay, so this is a strong topic sentence for a couple reasons. One, it has a clear topic. In this case, taking too many university courses at once. Also, it has a main idea. In this case, potentially serious consequences. It's also effective because it gives the reader an idea of what kind of paragraph they're going to be reading, whether it's descriptive, narrative, opinion-based, comparison. Now in this case, it's clearly going to be a paragraph discussing the effects of taking too many courses. All right, now let's look at 4 example topic sentences. You can even pause the video for a minute and look at these 4 sentences and decide which do you think is the strongest topic sentence here. All right, that was actually a bit of a trick question because none of these 4 sentences are strong topic sentences. Each of them is problematic in one way or another. So let's look at them. Number 1, 4 out of 5 teenagers in Canada have cell phones. Now the problem with that is that it's a fact, and therefore it's too specific, it's too narrow to be a topic sentence. There's no idea to develop in your supporting sentences. Number 2, driving is very stressful. That's also problematic, but for the opposite reason. It's too broad. It's too big of an idea. You have to be more specific, less generalized. Driving where or when? Stressful for whom? Number 3, how I learned to be more patient. Now this is a good topic, but it's not a topic sentence because it's incomplete. Make sure that your topic sentence has a clear subject, verb, and is a completed idea. Okay. Number 4, in this paragraph, I would like to discuss the importance of food in Italian culture. Now this is a common mistake in topic sentences. Don't announce your topic. Don't tell the reader what you're going to discuss. Simply state your opinion or your main idea. Now let's look at some revised versions of those sentences to see some improvements. Okay. Number 1, cell phones should be banned from classrooms for several reasons. Now this is good because there's now an opinion. It's no longer a fact, and the writer has taken a clear position. Number 2, driving on the highway in heavy traffic is stressful for many motorists. Again, this is better because now it's more specific. 3, having a child taught me the importance of being patient. An improvement because you now have a clear subject, verb, and a complete thought. And number 4, food is an essential part of Italian culture. You're no longer announcing what you're going to discuss, so that's much better. Okay. Why don't you follow the link at the end of this video if you're interested in trying an exercise that's connected to this lesson.